All right, welcome back, everybody. We are at the Stratford home offered by Blandford Homes. Excuse me, the Stratford floor plan offered by Blandford Homes. This is the Residence 7. This is a monster at just over 3,600 square feet. It is a two-story home, so if you're looking for that, as far as space is concerned, this house has it all. So you're gonna walk into the house, you got this open office space here, or again, it's more of a flex space. So if you wanted to make this like a formal dining room situation, you could do it. But you're gonna go straight into the living area once you go down the hall. And that's gonna open up into your living room, into your dining area, also into your kitchen. What I do like about this one is if we go around this corner here, I actually can go back up to that flex room. So again, if you were to make that a formal dining area, you do have a passageway to get to it with your butler quarters here and your pantry off to this side with the barn door, which I really like a lot. Beautiful cabinets and beautiful countertops. I love that backsplash wall, because that's basically what that is a wall. You're gonna have the oversized island here and plenty of space for entertaining downstairs. Now, downstairs you do have a guest room. If you needed to make this into a downstairs primary room, it's gonna be a little tight, but you can do it. It does have its own bathroom, so if you wanted to have that space down here where you didn't have to go upstairs and downstairs all the time, hey, it's your house, do what you want to do. So you can do it in this one. But again, it's a tight space, but it's still here. The lot on this one is a very nice lot, again, because you've got that up and down. So you've got the shorter house, so it's going to give you the bigger backyard. This backyard is beautiful. There's a seating area with an outdoor kitchen. You have enough space over here. If you wanted to actually put in a pool, you still have enough space to do it. Again, this home is in Gilbert, so just to give you an idea of the lot size of this home in this particular neighborhood. All right, so we're going to shut this one down and we're going to head upstairs and show you what bedrooms look like. All right, I didn't show you the stairwell, so we're just going to do a cutscene type video so you can see the stairwell, because it's kind of a windy stairwell, which is pretty nifty. All right, so the top of the stairs, you will be greeted by a loft area here. Again, plenty of natural lighting, so you can enjoy the sunshine. We're gonna head to the right into this beautiful thing here called a primary bedroom. Do you see this? Oh, this is gorgeous. All right, again, we have the floating sinks. We have the big, deep soaking tub. We have the big oversized shower. We have a closet that goes on for days and days. I can sleep in here. Oh, look at you. There's windows in the closet. Oh, this is my cup of tea. All right, so now the one thing I don't like is that, because I need a door for my bathroom, but I can get over it. But you do have a door for your toilet room, so that's pretty cool. Take a look at this bedroom again, though. Look at that accent wall. Oh, how pretty is this? It's got double light chandelier, whatever you want to call it. I like it. It's so pretty. All right, so here's what's kind of cool about this upstairs. So you see this is my laundry area. I can get to the laundry area from my bathroom, but I can also get to the laundry area from the other side of the upstairs as well. Look at all this space and cabinets and sinks and more cabinets and countertops where I can fold clothes and all kinds of goodies in here. I love it. All right, and then we're gonna go into bedroom number 3, which again is not a teeny weeny bedroom. It's a nice size bedroom. Nice size in the sense of you can actually function in here. I got a closet here that I can actually use. This is probably a full-size bed, just to give you an idea of how big the room is. I'm gonna stand over here. There's the bedroom. There's the bed against the wall there, and again, you still have space to walk and kind of function in there. Here is bedroom number 4. Again, this is like the exact same as the bedroom we just left, except The closet's going to be on the other side, so that's the only real difference. But that looks like a deeper closet, actually. Let me take a look inside. No, it's a little deeper than the other one. But generally speaking, it's about the same size. Here is the hall bathroom for upstairs. Just a simple bathroom, does what it needs to do. And then here's the last bedroom. Now see, this is the bedroom for the twins, or the bedroom for the two children, the two little ones, or the two older ones, or whatever. Now the closet is still about the same size as the other two, but look what you can do. You can actually put two beds in here. So either the oldest teenager gets this room, or two siblings got to share it. But it's the bigger of all of the bedrooms upstairs, aside from the primary. And again, I'm coming out into the hallway. We're back down. You can see the bedrooms. And then as we swing this way, we're back out to the loft area. So again, this is just over 3,600 square feet. So if that is what you need for yourself and your family, give me a call, 623-207-7146. See you guys on the next video.